life moves fast. In the blink of an eye, days turn into weeks and weeks into months. We rush from one task to the next, barely pausing to catch our breath. It's easy to feel overwhelmed, burdened by the weight of endless responsibilities. Take a moment to pause. Close your eyes, take a deep breath. Feel the air fill your lungs. Notice the stillness within you. Embrace the calm that resides deep inside. This is the power of your breath. It grounds you, bringing you back to the present moment. In the chaos of daily life, we often forget to breathe deeply, to truly connect with ourselves. We take shallow breaths, barely noticing this vital life force that sustains us. But our breath is always there, a constant companion, waiting to be acknowledged. It offers us a path to inner peace and clarity, a way to navigate through life's turbulence. By learning to control our breath, we can calm our minds and bodies, finding balance and harmony. Breathwork is a simple yet powerful tool for managing stress, improving focus, and enhancing overall well-being. It connects us to the essence of life. It is a practice accessible to everyone, anytime, anywhere. Embrace it and discover the tranquility within. Breathwork is the conscious control of your breath. It involves changing your breathing patterns. This can have profound effects on your physical and mental state. Different breathwork techniques offer unique benefits. Some techniques are calming and relaxing. Others are energizing and invigorating. With regular practice, breathwork can help you reduce stress and anxiety, improve sleep quality, increase focus and concentration, enhance emotional regulation, and boost energy levels. Breathwork is a journey of self-discovery. It allows you to connect with your inner self. As you explore different techniques, you'll discover what works best for you. Diaphragmatic breathing, also known as belly breathing, is a fundamental breathwork technique. It involves breathing deeply into your abdomen, engaging your diaphragm. This type of breathing promotes relaxation and reduces stress. Here's how to practice diaphragmatic breathing. First, find a comfortable position. You can sit or lie down. Place one hand on your chest and the other on your abdomen. Inhale slowly and deeply through your nose. Feel your abdomen expand. Then, exhale slowly through your mouth, letting your breath out naturally. Alternate nostril breathing, or Nadi Shodhana, is a balancing breathwork technique that has been practiced for centuries. It involves alternating your breath between your nostrils, which can help to clear your mind and focus your energy. This practice is said to harmonize the body's energy channels, known as nadis, promoting overall well-being. It can also help calm the mind, reduce stress, and improve concentration. Here's how to practice alternate nostril breathing. Sit comfortably with your spine straight and shoulders relaxed. Place your right thumb over your right nostril, gently closing it. Inhale slowly and deeply through your left nostril, filling your lungs completely. Close your left nostril with your right ring finger, holding the breath for a moment. Release your thumb and exhale slowly through your right nostril, letting go of any tension. Inhale through your right nostril, drawing in fresh, calming air. Close your right nostril and exhale through your left nostril. This completes one round of the practice. Continue for 5 to 10 rounds, gradually increasing as you become more comfortable with the technique. Section 5. The benefits of breathwork, calm, clarity, and beyond. Breathwork offers, a wide range of benefits. Diaphragmatic breathing is particularly effective for reducing stress and anxiety by activating the parasympathetic nervous system. It also helps in improving sleep quality by calming the mind and body, and lowering blood pressure by promoting relaxation. Alternate nostril breathing can help balance energy levels by harmonizing the body's energy channels. It can also improve focus and concentration by calming the mind, and reduce headaches by relieving tension. By incorporating these techniques into your daily routine, you can experience these benefits and enhance your overall well-being. Section 6. Making breathwork a daily ritual. The key to experiencing the full benefits of breathwork is consistency. By making it a regular part of your daily routine, you can unlock its full potential. Make it a habit to practice daily. Even just a few minutes each day can make a significant difference in your overall well-being. Start with a few minutes each day and gradually increase the duration as you feel comfortable. This gradual increase helps your body and mind adapt to the practice. You can practice breathwork anytime, anywhere. Whether you're at home, at work, or out in nature, it's always accessible. Find a quiet space where you can relax. Focus on your breath. Pay attention to the rhythm and depth of your breathing. Let go of any thoughts or distractions. Allow yourself to be fully present in the moment. Here are some tips for incorporating breathwork into your daily routine. Practice first thing in the morning to set a positive tone for your day. This can help you start your day with clarity and calmness. Use breathwork to de-stress after a long day. It can be a powerful tool to unwind and release tension. Incorporate breathwork into your meditation or yoga practice. This combination can enhance the benefits of both practices. And practice breathwork before bed to improve sleep quality. A few minutes of focused breathing can help you relax and prepare for a restful night's sleep. Section 7. Breath as a tool for transformation. Breathwork is more than just a relaxation technique. It's a tool for transformation. By consciously controlling your breath, you can influence your thoughts, emotions, and energy levels. Breathwork can help you become more aware of your body and mind, develop emotional resilience, and cultivate a deeper connection with yourself. As you continue to practice breathwork, you'll discover its transformative power. You'll begin to experience a greater sense of peace, clarity, and well-being. Section 8. A journey of self-discovery through breath. Breathwork is a journey of self-discovery. It's about connecting with your inner self and exploring the power of your breath. Each breath is an opportunity to let go of stress, find balance, and cultivate inner peace. As you embark on this journey, remember to be patient with yourself, listen to your body, and practice regularly. The more you practice, the more natural and effortless breathwork will become. You'll find that you can access its calming and centering effects whenever you need them. Section 9. Breathe your way to a healthier, happier you. Breathwork is a gift you can give yourself. It's a simple yet powerful tool for enhancing your physical, mental, and emotional well-being. By making breathwork a part of your daily routine, you can reduce stress and anxiety, improve sleep quality, enhance focus and concentration, and cultivate inner peace and clarity. Embrace the power of your breath and breathe your way to a healthier, happier you.